Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fina here. If you're new here, welcome to the squad. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always sticking by. So today guys, we are preparing mutton or goat pilau. So
hey
stay
guys,
tuned.
on our menu we are preparing goat pilau. So to start with, I'm shallow frying my goat meat in its own oil. I already boiled it in. I'm adding in my onions. I'm going to cook my onions until they are translucent, and then on this far end I'm just roasting my spices that I'm going to add in. This is the pilau masala. I'm just here roasting my pilau masala on low heat. It just helps with the aroma and everything. Add in my garlic and ginger paste. I'm going to add in my potatoes. So guys, you have to soak your rice after washing it about 3 times. So this is it here. I'm going to drain off the water. Adding in my pilau masala. I'm adding in my rice. Guys, I'm going to add in my water. So if you've used 2 cups of rice, you're going to use 4 cups of water. So I'm just going to let it boil fast while open and on medium high heat. Guys, our pilau is already done, but I'm going to cover it up with my cling film and then lower my heat to completely low. So guys, our pilau is already done here. This is how it looks. So I'm just going to fluff it up a little bit. And that's it for our pilau. That's how you prepare goat meat pilau. Kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe. It has been your host, Miss Fina. Until next time, bye-bye.